Hello everyone, this is lecture 13 of class 8th of chapter 1 computer networking. In this lecture I am going to tell you about modem. Modem stands for modulator and demodulator. In modem, MO stands for modulator and DEM stands for demodulator. Modem helps in data transmission. This is a device which converts digital signals. Digital signals means the signals in the form of 0 and 1 to analog signals. Analog signals are the continuous signals like this. For example, sound, waves, all these are example of analog signals that cannot be measured. And analog signals to digital signals means the main purpose of the modem is to convert digital to analog and analog to digital signals. Let us understand with the example. One modem will be at the sender side and one modem will be at the receiver side. So when data will be transmitted from the sender's computer, then this modem will convert digital signals to analog signals. Means here digital to analog. So it means through this medium, through this wire, analog signal is going there, and at the receiver side, this modem will convert analog to digital signal. Then it goes to the receiver's computer. After that, the process of converting digital signal to analog signal is called modulation, and the process of converting analog signals to digital signal is called demodulation. Modem can be internal or external. Internal modem is fixed inside the CPU and external modem is connected externally to the computer through the wire or wirelessly. Now all these about the modem, and in next lecture we are going to learn about the router.